Previously on the Post Grad Diaries. Then head straight to the Madison Ryan Award concert.
Happy birthday to you.
I'm just like, I feel like I'm gonna go to the environment and just ruin the atmosphere. Guess who I'm with? And we don't complain.
Y'all hyping up the sermon, and the sermon be like, you need to serve.
It's just very humbling, I would say. I feel like this season has been very humbling for me. I don't even like my makeup again. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's just my face. Let my friends hear me say this. They were literally going to rebuke me. But it's literally next day, 8:06 a.m. And I was like, I just realized when I read the email of the second interview, they said they were going to send the code at 6 Eastern, but it never specified Eastern, like in terms of PM or AM. And so I was like, okay, let me know, hey, so should I be expecting that code soon? It's already 8:06. The meeting is supposed to start at 8. So like, I was like, I actually have no way of meeting anybody unless I have like a code, and I don't have anything. So yeah, I don't know. And I was kind of really anxious. I'm always anxious for interviews in general because I'm always afraid of if I'll perform well or whatever. So I don't know, this is just weird. Or maybe not. Maybe it's planned. I don't know. Everything is empty. This is weird.
Did you finish editing that girl video?
Yeah, I gotta go tweak it though. Hey, so me and Jordan are about.
What did she say?
Jordan, I'm vlogging. So we got a tree and he's unboxing it, and we're about to put up the tree in the new house. Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4. Deck the halls with barrels of hardy. Yeah. 'Tis the season to be Charlie. Don we now all our apparel. Join the ancient youth like zero.
I've sucked at vlogging. Like, I can't be consistent for nothing. Am I recording in cinematic? Anyways, I guess I am. But yeah, this hair is about to go, and my mom's about to do a sew-in for me. So this wasn't the original plan. I wanted to do like an auburn ginger wig, but you know, finances are low, so I'm no longer doing that hairstyle. And so I'll probably do it for the new year and just wear like a sew-in for the month of December. And yeah, but yeah, your girl just been inconsistent with vlogging. It just been going through it because like in between, I think the last time y'all saw me post, there was just been a lot going on, just trying to settle in and with work and just being exhausted overall. And yeah, my mental, my physical was just suffering, and I've been off these past 2 days, so that's really good because I get to like rest and not have to worry about like doing so many things. And yeah, I actually don't ever know if this vlog will come out or how I will get it out, because the way I'm running out of storage and I can't airdrop these videos to my laptop to edit them, it's becoming a problem. This is why I don't like vlogging sometimes, because I feel like I talk a lot and I feel like I just talk too much, and I feel like people like that I talk, but I feel like I don't, because then like it's longer clips for me to edit, but it's also like, dang, like these videos are long and I have to airdrop them and export them, and it's like, bro, storage and all the other issues. But yeah, I'm about to go. So my hair is finished. I'm back at home now, and I'm about to not blow dry it, but flat iron the hair. Maybe I should have blow dried it, but it said 250 or 350. I don't know. And I need to also flat iron my hair because as you can see, it's not flat iron because she does not have a flat iron at her suite. And I'm realizing she needs one. And so that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to speed this clip up and y'all can watch me flat iron my hair. I guess. I hope I can do it quickly because I'm supposed to be going to a Christmas party for this little community called Holy Girl Hangs. And I've been avoiding going because I just don't want to go to new places by myself, even though I know I need community and friends. And so I'm going today by force. And we're going to see how that goes because your girl be lonely and I need friends. Especially when my friends are up in different stages of their lives and different cities. So, yeah. Trying to stop crying or keep from being angry because I really want to just tweak out because I don't like the way my hair is looking like. And on camera it probably doesn't look like anything's wrong, but I just feel like this side is bulkier, or like this part is sticking, like there's a part under here that's sticking out, and this side is more flatter, like it lays still. And like when I do that, you can see the difference. Like you can see where it sticks up at. Like this side doesn't really do that, or like it doesn't cooperate as much as this side, and it's frustrating me because I low-key knew that was gonna happen. And like I'm trying not to cry because I didn't want that. And yeah, but I'm about to leave. I'm about to do my lips and head to the event and just go like that because I really don't have no choice, and this is already about to ruin my mood. So I'm here, but I'm starting to get scared. I don't see anybody inside. So I'm gonna start walking. I don't think I'm gonna record when I go inside or I start talking, but maybe I'll record interactions. But I'm not about to start recording people and putting my camera in their face. So wish me luck. I don't know if my hair looks any better. I feel like it still looks insane. Oh, the light decided to turn off, so that's my cue to go.
I'm Tiffany. Daniela. Oh, say it again. Daniela. It's nice to meet you. Please look, grab name tags. Okay. We're grabbing food. Meet the people. Yeah. Things. I'm so glad you got to come. Yeah. Thank you. We're gonna keep it chill tonight, girls. Okay.
So I just left the party. It's still going, but I have to go because it's like 9. My head kind of hurts because, you know, the sewing is tight. And I'm tired, so I need to go, but they're about to play Family Feud. It was just nice. I'm glad I came because I got to meet some of the girls, and I'll definitely be at more of the hangouts and stuff, or like come to at least like some of the ones they plan on in the new year and stuff, because there's no more for the rest of this month besides like the next Christmas party. But I won't be able to go to that because I'll be working. But yeah, I'm kind of glad I pushed myself to come. I wasn't scared. Like the other times I was planning to come, I was more scared, I would say, or anxious to go by myself. So this time I didn't have any feelings, maybe because like I was just too fixated on the fact that I didn't like my hairstyle, or like I thought the fact that I felt like I didn't look good. And so I just got here. The girls were nice. We played games, we ate, we laughed, we played Uno No Mercy. I never played that before, so that was fun. But yeah, I'm really glad I came and I did that. Like I was like, I have to try at least once. So I'm just really proud of myself for at least trying and doing it and coming. So yeah, kudos to me. But yeah, I'm going home now, and then tomorrow I have work. So yeah, but like as I was saying, I'm gonna just wrap it up here. But yeah, I'm glad that I went because the enemy was really trying me, and the fact that my hair wasn't cooperating was gonna make me not go because I was already crying off camera. I was so frustrated because there's still a piece here that is sticking out. Like if I brush it, it sticks out, and I don't have that problem on this side. So when I brush it and I'm like, why is that? You can see it like when you push it down. Like, can you? it's like this piece right here is sticking out. It's not laying flat like the rest of the tracks on this side is. And I'm already having a feeling like my hair is just going to be coming up every single day, and I'm gonna have to flat iron, blow dry, all the things, and I don't want to do that. But that's besides the point. The point is that I went, and I'm glad that I went, and I'm glad that I pushed myself to go, even though I've been avoiding trying to do that, and I know I need community. And so I think it's just really scary initially to go somewhere by yourself where you don't know people. That's the whole point. You don't know people, and you're trying to make friends so you can have community and know people and do life with. And so yeah, everybody was very inviting and welcoming. And yeah, we just played games, we ate, learned about the girls and the stuff. And so yeah, that was really nice, and I'm glad I went. And I'll definitely be there at whatever other like more hangout events they have in January, because this was like one of like the events like somebody hosted and people just went to, not like the main event for like the group chat, because usually when they do that, like they try to keep it in like central of Charlotte, that way it's not far from everybody and things like that. So but nonetheless, I'm glad that I went. So yeah, kudos to me for doing that. So hi guys, it's December 15th and I'm getting ready to go to Shea's graduation at Chapel Hill. So that's what I'm doing. I'm unraveling these flexi rods and fixing up my hair before I get ready to get on the road. So yeah. It's what I deal with every day, guys. Get in the car, Jordan.
I'm a winter soldier, bro. I don't.
Can you let this go? Oh God.
No siree.
Like you trying to do something.
Graduates. How you feeling?
Hey.
How you feeling? Tell us how your day's been. How you feeling, girl?
I'm good, you guys. I graduated. My friends came. I'm feeling blessed. It's a blessing to graduate. Like, y'all, I have a bachelor's degree.
Yeah.
Who can say that?
Who can say that?
Yeah.
You have to say it.
Oh, I got one. Me.
Yeah, you got one. Look in the window like that, like you're not about to get in.
Yeah.
Bye. Graduate.
All right, family.
Yeah.
Make sure you take Jordan in bed.
I have an interview today.
And you were like, ooh, because you're not going to remember what you wrote.
Basically, somebody stole money from out my purse at work. But this is what I'm wearing.
Hi, hello, guys.
And we're getting ready to go watch The Lion King. I've been having severe anxiety this whole day because I just felt underprepared and overwhelmed.